Something just dropped, and most people have no clue what it can actually do. This is not another AI chatbot. This thing runs on 19 models at the same time, and the way smart people are already using it to generate income is honestly wild. Stick around because this changes how you think about working online. Hey there! So if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. Okay, so something dropped on February 25th, 2026 that honestly caught a lot of people off guard. Perplexity just launched something called Perplexity Computer. And no, it is not what you think. It is not a laptop or a piece of hardware. It is a cloud-based AI agent system that runs entire workflows by itself using 19 different AI models working together at the same time. Think about that for a second. You type in what you want as an outcome. The system breaks it down into pieces, then it assigns those pieces to different AI models that are each best at that specific thing. Claude Opus handles the core reasoning, Gemini goes deep on research, Grok handles the fast, lightweight stuff, and even video gets generated automatically using VO. All of this running at the same time while you are doing something else. Here's the thing that blew my mind. This is available right now for Perplexity Max subscribers at $200 a month, and early users who got their hands on it are already reporting workflows that used to take days getting done overnight. One reviewer said they built 2 micro apps, 4 finished research packets, and a full automation in a single night. That is not hype. That is what happens when you combine the best AI models all under one roof. Now here is where I want to stop and be real with you for a second, because most people who hear about a tool like this are going to do the same thing. They are going to open it up, ask it a question, read the answer, and close the tab. That is the wrong move. That is using a race car to go to the grocery store. The whole point of Perplexity Computer is not to answer questions. It is to execute outcomes. There is a massive difference. When you give it a task, do not tell it each step to take. Tell it what the end result looks like. The system figures out the steps. You own the big decisions. It handles the execution. That mindset shift is what separates people who get real use out of this from people who wonder why the tool is not impressive. And here's the second mistake people make. They treat it like a one-time thing. They run a task, they get a result, and they move on. But the real power is in persistent memory and long-running workflows. This system can run for hours, days, or even months. It remembers your preferences. It builds on your past work. You set something up once and let it keep going. Let me walk you through some of the actual use cases that sharp people are already exploring with this, and I am going to frame them the right way so YouTube does not boot me off the platform for making wild promises. I cannot guarantee you anything. What I can do is show you what is possible and let you decide if you want to explore it. The first one is building and selling research. There are industries out there that are massively underserved when it comes to actual data and insight. Think hyperlocal real estate markets, niche software categories, specific professional verticals. A smart user can point Perplexity Computer at one of these niches, set it up to monitor trends, pull data, compile it into a polished report, and repeat that process on a schedule. The output is something people in that niche would genuinely pay for. Subscriptions to specialized intelligence reports are a real business model, and this tool can handle a lot of the heavy lifting involved in running one. The second approach is building micro tools and flipping them. Because Perplexity Computer can actually write and deploy code, people with zero developer background are using it to prototype niche software tools. A finance tracker with live data, a simple monitoring dashboard for a specific use case, a lead research tool for a particular industry. You describe what you want. The system codes it, tests it, and delivers something functional. There are legitimate platforms where small web-based tools and apps can be sold to buyers looking for digital assets. This is not a crazy idea, it is a real market. The third approach is using it as the backbone of a service business. I want to be clear here. I am not talking about some fantasy autopilot business where you do nothing. I am talking about using AI to dramatically reduce the amount of manual work required to deliver a service. If you are doing any kind of research, content, analysis, or outreach for clients, Perplexity Computer could potentially compress work that takes hours into something much faster. That is real leverage. That is what smart operators are looking at right now. Real quick pause. If you have been watching these videos and thinking, okay, this AI stuff is clearly powerful, but how do I actually turn it into money? That is exactly why I created AI Inner Circle. This is not a public community. It is a private working group where I share the systems my team and I are actively using inside my agency to monetize AI right now. We are talking early mover tactics to generate cash flow, the actual AI services we are selling to local businesses, the automation systems my team is building for clients, and marketing playbooks that have not even made it to YouTube yet. This is where the execution happens, not just the theory. If you want access to the frameworks and breakdowns we keep out of the public videos, you can apply to join AI Inner Circle. The link is in the description and also pinned in the top comment. Okay, back to it. Look, I am not just talking about this tool because it is shiny and new. The reason I think this matters is because of the trajectory of the company behind it. Perplexity went from $35 million in annual recurring revenue in mid-2024 to nearly $200 million by late 2025. Their user base grew by more than double in a single year. They are now valued at $20 billion and are backed by serious investors. That kind of growth does not happen by accident. It happens because people are finding real value in the product. And now with computer added to the mix, Perplexity is not just a search tool anymore. It is a full workflow execution engine. The research they did with Harvard actually found something interesting. Users who start with simple tasks eventually shift almost entirely to productivity and workflow use cases, and they rarely go back. Once you see what autonomous execution looks like, you stop wanting to do things manually. That is the trajectory we are on right now. And here is what I want you to hear. You are not late. Most people have not even heard of this yet. The people watching videos like this one, digging into tools like this, exploring what is possible before the mainstream catches up, those are the people who tend to come out ahead. I did not grow up with money. There was no safety net. If something went wrong, I had to deal with it myself. So when I see something real, something backed by data, something that is actually working for people right now, I pay attention. And this is one of those things. Now you might be thinking, okay, but ChatGPT already does a lot of this, and I get that. But here is the real difference. Most AI tools are built around a single model. You are locked into that model's strengths and weaknesses. When Perplexity routes your task to 19 different specialized models, it is doing something fundamentally different. It is not just giving you better answers. It is actually assigning work to the best possible resource for each specific part of the job. Think of it like this. You could ask one person to do everything in your business, or you could have a team where everyone is a specialist. The specialist team is going to outperform the generalist every single time on complex multi-step work. That is exactly what computer is trying to replicate. And according to VentureBeat, by December of 2025, no single model commanded more than 25% of usage on the Perplexity Enterprise platform. The market has already validated the idea that routing matters. And then there is the isolation piece. Every task in Perplexity Computer runs in a sandboxed environment. That means it has access to a real browser, a real file system, and real integrations. But it is all contained. No messing around on your personal machine, no weird security issues. It is designed so you can actually let it run without watching over it the whole time. That is not a small thing when you start thinking about workflows that run overnight or over a weekend. Here is something to think about. The Perplexity Developer Conference is coming up in San Francisco on March 11th. They have already signaled that the Comet browser is coming to iOS. They are expanding enterprise access. The Search API is already being used in production by 4 of the largest technology companies in the world. We are in early innings here. The workflows that seem advanced today are going to be basic table stakes in 12 months. And the people who figure out how to build repeatable systems on top of tools like this, who get the reps in now while others are sleeping, are going to be operating at a completely different level. I genuinely believe the window to get ahead of this is real, and it is right now, not next year, not when everyone figures it out. Now. You are here because you are the kind of person who pays attention, who looks ahead, who does not wait for permission to try something new. That is not nothing. That is actually everything. So here is what I want you to do next. Check out Perplexity Computer if you are curious and have the budget for it. See what workflows you can imagine building. Even if you are not there yet, start thinking in terms of outcomes and automation instead of tasks and hours. And do not sleep on Nick's free 4-part AI fast track training. It goes deeper on the tools and strategies that are actually working right now to build AI-powered income streams. Plus, it includes a free 30-day trial of the software Nick uses to run his entire business and land clients on autopilot. You can find both links down in the description. Also, go join the AI Control Room, Nick's free community with thousands of other AI and agency owners who are building businesses just like the ones we talk about in these videos. Link is in the comments and the description. See you in the next one.